Tailscope Learning.
Hello there. I'm Luna, a fairy who's, well, a bit afraid of heights. In our magical forest, things weren't always so harmonious.
Come on, Luna, let's go on an adventure.
But Finn, you know I can't. I can't fly.
That's okay, we'll find another way. Friends stick together.
The lost gem of unity was our only hope to bring peace back to the forest. So we set off into the forbidden woods, a place that made my wings shiver. Finn's bravery gave me courage, even when the path seemed impossible. We crossed rickety bridges and faced mischievous spirits. Each challenge brought us closer, teaching us to trust each other. But then we reached the edge of a deep, dark chasm.
Luna, I think I see the gem. It's just across this gap. Luna, help, I'm slipping.
Finn, I have to try. I have to fly.
In that moment, I realized friendship gave me wings. I soared across the chasm, catching Finn just in time. Together, we retrieved the gem and flew back to safety. We placed the gem back where it belonged, in the heart of our forest. And just like that, our world was filled with magic once again. We learned that true friendship means lifting each other up, no matter what. Now, Finn and I fly together, ready for our next big adventure.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tailscope Learning and hit the bell icon for more inspiring and magical stories.